smartphone delivers outstanding value and a no-compromise all-round flagship experience. Watch through the entire video to know more about this device. So let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE has the biggest ever upgrade in design. The smartphone sports a premium flagship design. It comes in 3 color options: mint, graphite and purple, and the color palette looks beautiful. We have with us the mint color option that looks pretty good. The metal frame and the glass back give a good in-hand feel. The device truly feels like the S23 family and look as good as Samsung flagship experience. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE sports a Samsung flagship display. The smartphone comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED 2X display that has a refresh rate of 120Hz. It comes with an adaptive 60 to 120Hz refresh rate, which offers a smooth experience without compromising on battery. It has a peak brightness of 1450 nits. The display will adapt to your comfort no matter the lighting condition. Also, the smartphone features a vision booster feature which enables the users to use the phone even in the daylight condition. The smartphone comes equipped with a flagship 4nm Exynos 2200 SoC which assures you fast and lag-free performance. It also has a ray tracing feature that allows game to display realistic lighting reflection from water surface or even glass, which is a very rare feature in this price segment. The smartphone sports a 3.9x large vapor chamber for long gaming sessions, which will also help in maximizing heat control and stable FPS in games. I tried playing a couple of games like Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 and I was impressed by the gaming performance. Even when playing for a longer duration, the phone performed exceptionally well. The smartphone comes in 2 storage configurations, 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM, and another with 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. The smartphone sports a 3-camera setup on the rear that includes the primary 50MP camera, a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP 3x optical zoom telephoto camera. As far as the front camera is concerned, the smartphone uses a 10MP front camera. The smartphone comes with a nightography mode from S23 family, which helps in taking clear photos and videos in low light. You get flagship level camera performance possible through AI stereo depth, dual pixel technology and OIS plus VDIS. The primary camera captures highly detailed photos and the detail enhancer add extra detail using AI. It can shoot video up to 8K in this unbelievable price range. Also, the front shooter captures well detailed photos in almost any lighting situation. The Samsung Galaxy FE series always has been durable. This device also comes with IP68 dust and water resistance. Also, it sports an aluminium frame and with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 shielding the front and back. The phone is built to last. Very few phones in this segment have these durability specs, and this is the icing on the cake. Samsung has hit this out of the park with the device. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is the best entry flagship offering outstanding value and a no-compromise all-round flagship experience. At a price tag of $49,999, this is an insane value. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.